Use a vision board. Vision boards are a really powerful tool when it comes to planning your own personal future. I've been using them for about 3 years now, and what's frightening is how accurate they are and how quickly they come true. So what you've got to be careful is not to think too small in your vision boards. When you create a vision board, it's a collage of your ideal outcomes in a predetermined space of time. So it might be a year, it might be 15 months, it might be 6 months from now. The subconscious is triggered by images. And when you put that vision board on your desktop or on your wall and you look at it every single day, you will subconsciously be embedding the outcome in your psyche. Now, my only advice to you is don't think too small on your vision boards, because the power of this visioning is absolutely mind-blowing. Talk to you again soon.